Hello, Spencer here, and I wanted to quickly show you how to transfer VHS to DVD with a Samsung DVD VCR. The model of this combo is DVD-VR320, but this process will be the same for many different models. Let's first look at the rear panel and get familiar with the connections. Starting from the right, there is a coaxial connection for receiving TV channels, both the input and the output. Next to that is the connection I recommend using when connecting to your TV, the composite video output. Next to that, there is a composite and S-video audio-video input for recording to DVD or VHS from another source. Above the S-video input, there is an S-video output for DVD playback. Then there is a component video output with its audio output. Lastly, there is optical and coaxial digital audio. These are generally used when connecting it to a sound system. This model was manufactured in June of 2005. On the front panel, the power button is off to the left. Next to it is the progressive scan button for toggling the progressive scan function. Then you have an S-video and composite audio-video input and DV input for recording from another source, such as a camera. Then you have the DVD open-close button. Off to the right side, there are a few buttons. The DVD VCR button for switching which drive you want to view on the TV, the record button and the channel buttons. Then the dubbing buttons, just press the copy to DVD button and the machine will begin transferring tape to disc. You can also record DVD to VHS, but you probably won't want to do this. Rewind, stop, play, pause, fast forward, and the eject button are the furthest to the right. This is the original remote control for it. Now that we have gone over the basics, let's go ahead and get it set up. Connect one end of the red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the back of the VCR and connect the other end to the input on the TV. Now let's start recording. Insert a blank DVD. This machine requires DVD minus R discs, so that is what I will be using. Then insert the tape that you want to copy. Once both decks have been loaded, make sure that you're controlling the VHS side and push the copy to DVD button. You can use the front panel or the remote control for this step. The machine will begin recording. It will stop recording when you push stop, when the disc is full, or when the tape has reached its end. When the tape has stopped, you can review what you have recorded so far by switching to the DVD side. If there is still space on the disc, you could go back over to the VHS side and fast forward, rewind, or insert a new tape and begin recording again to that same disc. It will have a capacity of about 2 hours, so you can keep recording on and off if you'd like to do that. When you're done recording, there is one more step, which is the most important step. You will need to finalize the disc, otherwise it will not load in other devices. To finalize, first make sure that you are controlling the DVD side and press stop. Then press the menu button on the remote. Then select Disk Manager, then finalize. This may take as long as 20 minutes, but it often only takes about 5 minutes. Once finalization is complete, you can review your work in the menus. Now it will load on most DVD players, Blu-ray players, and game consoles. This is what the finalized menus will look like. If you're curious, these are all of the menu options. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to enjoy more similar content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you liked the video, please leave a like. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and I'll see you later.